Hi, my name is Alnessa Villondo, and I'm from Team 5, and this is a brief demonstration of Release 1 for the Bookkeeping app. So we begin with the home page. This is the banner and a brief statement of what the application does, and a sign-in section. So in one of our user stories, as a user, I can read the overview about the website so that I can understand its purpose. I'll mark this as a pass. And then next we'll be logging in. So let's use one of our existing users. Here we go. So we have a John Doe with a password. We will need to work on our UI so that the expected here is that the form will clear. But if we go to the group page, you can see that I'm able to sign in as John Doe. So for now, I will be marking this user story. As a user, I can log into my account and access my account information as a pass. Now, we are in the group page, and in the group page, this connects to the user story, where as a user, I can click on a group link and it will redirect me to the group page. So John Doe belongs to two groups. The best place, this is his details. For the best place, these are the expenses. For the share room, these are the expenses. These are the details. All right, for this user story, as a user, I can click on a group link and it will redirect me to the group page. I will mark that as a pass. Now, let's try and create a group. Now, every group has a token. Here, for this group, the best place, the token is password. We will need to work on the UI so that it's easier to read the letters, and there is a clear contrast between the letters and the text boxes. So, let's create a group. Here, create group. And I would like to enter the name test group 1. If we go to our database, let's see if test group 1 exists. Here we are. Test group 1. Nope, it does not exist. All right. So let's create this. All right, we have created test group 1 with a token KHT6KAF and this symbol, the less than symbol. All right, now let's see in the database if we have successfully created a group. Test group, there it is. All right, so I'll be marking this user story as successful. Here it is. As a user, I can enter details about the group and save it so I can create a new group. There we go. So let us try joining a group. Go back to the group page. So test group 1 has this token. Let's copy it. Test group 1. All right. So remember we are trying to add John Doe to test group 1. it says here that you have joined the group. Alright, let's see if in the database it reflects the same thing. So remember that the ID for test group 1 is 17. Let's go to the table group users. This table shows who are the users in these groups. So let's see first what the user ID is for John Doe. John Doe is 1 and test group 1 is 17. Alright, so let's see. 17, but it did not add the user 1. So for this user story, I will mark it as a fail. And even if we look at the group page and drop down on the groups that he is in, we don't have test group 1. Alright, so let's try to leave a group. I'm going to go to share room. John Doe is in share room, so let's click leave group. Before that, let's check first. So John Doe is user ID is 1, leave group, sorry, share room is 2. This is the entry. Share room 2, John Doe 1. So once we leave the group, this entry should no longer be there. Leave group. Okay. When you drop down, there's only the best place. So the share room is no longer there. And let's re-execute. Alright, so it has deleted the entry group ID 2 and user ID 1. So I will mark this user story as successful. Another user story is I can view a token so I can give it to the users who want to join my group. So we go here, the best place, this is the token. I'll mark this as successful. Here. Alright, so let us try to add and edit an expense. Go to expenses page. Error. So for user stories that have anything to do with the expenses page, I will mark as a fail. This is edit and delete. Let's go back to the home page. Alright. Now we will create a user. Let's try. Well, let's see. Our existing users are these. So I will create a user named Alpha Bravo, which is not in this table. So Alpha Bravo, email Alpha Bravo. There we go. Password is test. Submit. Form is cleared. Now let's see in the database if we have added a new user. There we go. So I will mark this story as successful. So we have 3 user stories that were considered failed. We will be backlogging this to the next release. In the next release, we are expected to have all these issues resolved and an improvement in the UI. So that is the demonstration for release 1. Thank you very much.